Okay, guys, so this is week 6, Thursday's assignment, lesson 25, page 49 and page 50. Divide decimal by whole numbers. Now, on this one, this is wanting you to draw pictures to kind of help you do the division. We're not going to do that. I'm not going to require you to do that. I don't want to have to check all that. Yeah, sometimes it's helpful, but I think with this one, all I'm going to require you to do is do the division because that's all I'm interested in, not the pictures. Okay, so if you've already done the pictures, that's fine. I'll check it. But we're just going to go ahead and look at this as regular division. Okay, and then we're going to do some examples on this page 49 and then on some on page 50. And I'm going to go ahead and do number 1. Okay, I got 2 and 7/10 divided by 9. All I'm going to do is bring my decimal up. Okay, and can 9 go into 2? No. But I'm going to go ahead and try 9 into 27. If you know your nines, you can. If you don't know your nines, you can write them out to the side here. Or you can just do them 9, 18, 27. So how many times? 3. So your answer would be 3/10. 2 and 7/10 divided by 9 is 3/10. Okay? Let's look at this next one. 4 and 8/10 divided by 8. Again, I'm going to bring that decimal up right here. Can 8 go into 4? No, so I'm going to put a 0 there. But can 8 go into 48? Yes, it can. Evenly, yes, it can. If you don't know, write your 8s on the side here or look at a multiplication chart or just do your 8s and count. Okay, if you were to count, you would do 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, and then 48. That is 6 times. So 4 and 8/10 divided by 8 is 6/10. Kind of see where I'm going here. Just basic division here, but it's with the decimal. Okay. 2 and 8/10 divided by 7. Bringing my decimal up. 7 cannot go into 2, so I'm going to put a 0 there. But can 7 go into 28? Yes, 4 times. 7, 14, 21, 28. That's 4 times. So 2 and 8/10 divided by 7 is 0 and 4/10. Okay, easy. But let's go ahead and look at some of these that have whole numbers, like this one right here, number 5. I'm going to have you do number 4 and 6 on your own, okay? But number 5 is 3 and 7/8 divided by 3. This is where you're going to actually have to do some of the division, all right? Bring your decimal up. 3 can go into 3 one time. Yes. Subtract that. Remember, does McDonald's sell burgers? We're going to divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, repeat if necessary. We divided 3 into 3 and got 1. We multiplied 3 times 1 and got 3. We're now going to subtract. 3 minus 3 is 0. You do not have to bring that decimal down. Do not do anything with that decimal once you've brought it up. So you're just going to bring down that 7. Since I brought down, I'm going to repeat. I'm going to divide. How many times can 3 go into 7? 3, 6. So that's 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. I get 1 left over. Bring down my 8. All right. 3 go into 18 evenly. Yes. And a good thing too, you guys, you can write out your 3s here. It'll be very helpful for you. Or you can just do it in your head. 3 divided by 18 is 6. So 3 and 7/8 divided by 3 is 1 and 26/100. That is your answer for number 5 on page 49. Okay, let's look at page 50. I'm going to go ahead, and this one has a drawing for you. I'm going to go ahead and show you what they're doing here. It's 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 9 individual little ones here. Okay, you have 3 holes. You have 6/10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6/10, and you have 3 individual ones. So there's your. There's 9. So there's your 9. So it wants you to divide it by 3, and this is where they're wanting you to draw the pictures. And if you divide it by 3, you're going to see how much is in each one. I have 1 hole, right? There's 1 hole in this one. There's 1 hole in this one, 1 hole in this one. There's 2/10 here. and 3 ones. So this is a different way to do it. If you were to do the drawing, this is a different way to do it. 1 and 23 hundredths, 1 and 23 hundredths, 1 and 23 hundredths, 1 whole, 2 tenths, and 3 ones. So 3 and 69 hundredths divided by 3 is 1 and 23 hundredths. Okay? So that's how you do that one. I'm going to go ahead and do number 4 and number 7 for you, and then you're going to do the rest. Okay? So number 4 is 3 and 6 tenths divided by 9. Bring that decimal up. Always bring that decimal up. Okay? 9 cannot go into 3, so I'm going to put a 0 there. But can 9 go into 36? Yes, because I've written out my 9s. 9, 18, 27, 36. That's 4 times. So 0 and 4 tenths. And then I said we're going to go ahead and look at number 7. So you have 3 and 100ths divided by 7. Bring that decimal up. Can 7 go into 3? No, so I'm going to put a 0. But can 7 go into 30? Yes, but not equally, okay? If 7 can go into 30 4 times. 7, 14, 21, 28, that's 4 times. So does McDonald's sell burgers? We divided. We're going to multiply. 7 times 4 is 28. We're going to subtract. 30 minus 28 is 2 left over. We're going to bring down to 21. Repeat. Okay, divide. How many times can 7 go in 21? This time it is equally 7, 14, 21. 3 times. 3 times 7 is 21. And we get nothing left over. So, 3 and 100ths divided by 7 is 43 hundredths. Okay, that's all for this one. You only have probably about 6 or 7 problems to do on your own. Don't forget on the problem solvings down here on 9 and 10 to do look, no, solve. If you have any questions, you can ask me on Google Classroom, Remind. You can text me or call me. You can email me, JOE, and my last name, .tijerina@amaisd.org. Okay? The easiest way would probably be on Google Classroom. You guys have a good day, and I will have Fridays available for you soon.